sick.
She's not very sick. That means that she's not sick.
Oh no?
That means she's better, but this means she's sick.
You're absolutely right.
She's a little bit. Sorry. There's white.
I don't know. Well, now we're gonna.
This means when she's sick. But when she opens her eyes, that means when she's better.
Ah, okay. Well, now we're gonna look inside of her ears.
And now you have to get her some looks.
Everything looks fine. What's wrong with your baby? Why did you bring a baby in today?
I want the spoon for this.
The spoon is right there.
No.
There's a spoon. Here you go.
This? How about you, Doctor? No, you put the spoon in.
Okay. That I can definitely do. Got it. Here we.
You're so funny.
Okay.
I'll put it in her mouth.
Okay.
That way she doesn't spell.
Wow, your baby's already starting to look better.
No, she's still very
Oh,
sick.
yeah, she's very sick, but she's 10% better, at least.
Oh, got her band-aid.
Yeah. Where does she have an owie? Is it on her belly? On her head?
It's on her head.
Oh.
Her brain isn't working.
Oh, that's terrible. Let's fix that, okay.
Her brain isn't working?
What do brains do?
Brains help you think. You just thought about that question, that's what your brain did. Every time you do anything, when you play or work, or even when you sleep, you're using your brain. Yeah.